There is no better time to be content creator because we have access to so many things that can enhance our creativity. I mean, in this situation, the light. Ulanzi L024 RGB 40W. Even this light have built-in battery, so no needed cable. This is really awesome. Hi, my name is Rafał, I am from Poland, and my main goal here on this channel is improve my English skill in content creation. So stay with me if you wanna see how things go in the future, finger crossed, and let's go. But before that, quick disclaimer, this light was given to me, so it's staying with me. This material is sponsored by mitoja.pl. Let's start with the spec of this light, Ulanzi L024 RGB 40W. But 40W, it's not everything here. We have boost mode, overclock mode, and here we gain 10 watts extra to use, so this is superb. We can change power here only manually using two dials, and we can change it from 1% to 125 in overclock mode. In standard mode, 100 is the max. The range of the temperature of this light in the kelvins you will see on the screen. We have here a lot of room, and also if you wanna use this light as the key light, there is no problem because this light have 95 Serial I. So our skin tones will be look here in this light very nice. Of course, we have a full spectrum of RGB here. We can set any color, no problem. And also we have access to 20 FX modes. As I mentioned before, this light have only manual control. On the back this unit we have screen, two dials to control power and temperature, the switch power, and this is interesting. We have here two options to power this unit via USB-C, but we need a specific one, power delivery 65 watts at least. Also we have DC here, 19 volts, there is no problem to power either. As I mentioned before, this light have built-in battery, so yes, we can use it without any cable, and at 100% of power on the daylight, we can use it 50 minutes. So look at this size. One downside here is the charging. From 0% to 100, we need at least 3 hours. And last but not least, this light is not heavy. The weight is 490 grams. Okay, let's talk about, I think, the bundles. The main unit, if you wanted to buy without anything, this is everything. We got the box, I mean the light. We got reflector for mini balance, and we have strange but funny diffusion. So if we are here, I need to mention that this construction of this light is a little bit different because usually the airflow is going from the bottom to the top. In this light is something different. The air is going from the bottom, but going out is on the front. If we wanna use the reflector, I think there is one problem. This light can be loud because of that type of design and using of the reflector. The fan noise is boosted, so we definitely hear it in that combination. So if you don't like the noise in the audio, you need simply remember that light have fan that can produce noise to your video. This will be example. Additionally, we can buy to this light the power brick that will charge our light. I mean Ulanzi L024 RGB 40W. There is no problem. We can also buy the adapter for the DC that is converted to USB-C. And also we have some option in the modifier side. First and the cheapest one are the doors. This is really simple, as you see. Next, we have two options. First is the softbox 30 centimeters with the carrying case. Yeah, it's small and it's really fast to open, set it to and ready to use. I mean, we need couple of movements, couple of seconds. And our softbox is ready to use. As you see, we have here two diffusion and the grid option. So we got everything basically. In the couple of minutes, I will show you example of use of that modifiers. And the last option is also modifier. This is the lantern with carrying case, 30 centimeters, as you see, with diffusion. And this is the same. It's really quick to set up. We need to push it. As you see, this is really quick. First, I will show you reflector with diffusion. The light is on the 40% of the power, is placed on my right with the angle of 45. I see already this modifier on the reflector is adding some warm tone. The lamp is set on the daylight, also the white balance on the cameras. Definitely we can see some warm tones on that modifier. Let's switch to the 30 centimeters softbox now. The power and position of the light is the same as before. You can see already how narrow the beam is on that softbox with every diffusion that we can apply on it. This is close enough in my taste of key light, but 30 centimeters here is creating really harsh shadow on that side, so probably I need to use it some fill light. Okay, let's switch to the lantern. Now we are on the lantern. You can see already this is completely different look than the regular softbox that can be attached on the Ulanzi. The whole scene is more lit, so if you like that look, this is very nice, but for my taste, I prefer the softbox. No gear is the perfect, so this light have some cons, at least three. First is of course the fan noise. You already hear it. For my taste it's okay, but if you are silent light, probably you need skip it. Second con is probably very subjective, because I really don't like how this light is powering on when it's on the battery, because you need press the power button. This is not everything. Now you need turn one dial, and after that the light is, as you see, turned on. For my type of use, I like this light using above me for hair light, and it's hanging out on the ceiling, so reaching for that dial is really problematic for me. Third problem that I found on this light, it's also probably very subjective thing, because I really don't like how this light is operating when it's connected to the outlet, because when we do that, I will present it. The LCD screen will be lit up constantly 100% when we deliver the power from the USB-C or DC port. This LCD is a really bright LCD when it's no light in this room. So for me it's problematic, because I like my lights using constantly on the power, so I need to remember to switch power outlet or simply plug off the power. In the summary, I think this light is very interesting because of the form factor. The cube is very small and lightweight, so this is very nice. Also we have here battery, 15 minutes at least of working. We got RGB, we got 40 watts of the power. So what we need more? For the fill light, for the hair light, I think this is super option, and I'm very happy that light is staying with me. At the end, let me know in the comment what you think about this light, Ulanzi L024 RGB 40 watts. And see you next time.